大家好 ，It's Ms Kaka， 我是佳佳老师。We'll keep digging into 形容词 adjectives, checking them out more. In English, we modify verbs with adverbs, so let's explore how we do this in Chinese. In Chinese, adjectives can function as adverbial modifiers for verbs and must be placed before the verb. If the adjectives are monosyllabic, stick them right before the verb. For the disyllabic ones, particle de could be added after the adjective to emphasize the modification, but it's optional. However, if the adjective that also functions as a verb and is used to modify another verb, de is required after the adjective. As mentioned in previous video, we discussed duplicating adjectives for emphasis. Now let's explore how we employ duplicated adjectives to modify verbs. For a monosyllabic adjective, you can optionally add the particle de after it. However, with a disyllabic adjective, you must place the particle de after it. Don't forget to subscribe for more future content.